Well, all steps are being taken, every step, and it's not that anybody wants immigrants to come in, but it's not that we have like a iron door out there or something that we will be able to completely stop everything. But whenever, say for example, complaint comes, just some days back also there were some complaints, and a few people were sent back. So whenever, as and when we are getting information, intel, and incidents of people coming in, action is being taken. Yes, there are possibilities, because again, this is I also read the article. We really don't know what the details are. I mean, it's an article. I mean, if I get a letter from say MHA or a letter from some Maharashtra government, something complaining about this, then I'll be able to tell. Right now, I'm basing, and you're basing your statement on an article that came out. So we'll have to just wait for that. But yes, it is a matter of concern, and that is why most of the fencing has taken place.